Hello and thank you for watching Creative Art Expressions with Sapphire C. In this video I'm going to show you how to finish off and weave in ends. So I've just finished a round of single crochets. I'm going to connect it with a slip stitch. And now I'm ready to finish off. And so how I go ahead and cut this about 3 inches. Now I'm just going to yarn over and pull that through my working loop and then tighten it. And so that's how you finish off. And then to weave in the ends I use a needle. This is like a tapestry needle or yarn needle, whatever you want to call that. And then I'm just going to go in and weave it through. Let's see. I usually like to do it in a circle first. There's really no correct way to do this, but you just want to make it secure so it doesn't come out. Try not to cover my hands. I like to go into the same area a few times, a couple times. And go down here a little bit. Okay. Oh, no, that's good. And then I trim off right up to the end there. Pull it tight and trim it off. And that is how you finish off. Hope this has helped you. Please comment, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.